उसे माफी मांगनी पड़ेगी। He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry. तुम्हें यहाँ नहीं आना चाहिए था। You shouldn't have come here. You shouldn't have come here. मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ? How do I look? How do I look? तुम बढ़िया लग रही हो। You look great. You look great. क्या तुम मुझ पर भरोसा नहीं करते? Don't you trust me? Don't you trust me? मैं तुम दोनों पर भरोसा नहीं करता। I don't trust both of you. I don't trust both of you. सब तुम्हारे जैसे नहीं हैं। All are not like you. All are not like you. इसे करीब से देखो। Look at it closely. Look at it closely. थोड़ी देर और रुको। Wait a little longer. Wait a little longer. वो मेरे सामने खड़ा था। He was standing before me. He was standing before me. आप बिल्कुल ठीक समय पर आए हैं। You have come just in time. You have come just in time. मैंने सब जगह देख लिया। I looked everywhere. I looked everywhere. पर वह यहाँ नहीं है। But he is not here. But he is not here. मुझे जाना पड़ेगा। I will have to go. I will have to go. मेरे साथ मजाक कर रहे हो क्या? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? यह कितने का है? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? उसे कहीं जाना था। He had to go somewhere. He had to go somewhere. मैं वैसा नहीं हूँ। I am not like that. I am not like that. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है। It is beyond my capacity. It is beyond my capacity. ऐसा जोक कभी मत करना। Never joke like that. Never joke like that. यह तुम्हारा किया हुआ था। This was your doing. This was your doing. इसके बारे में सोचना भी मत। Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. मैं तुमसे झूठ बोलने के लिए माफी मांगता हूँ। I am sorry for lying to you. I am sorry for lying to you. तुम्हें भी ऐसा करने की जरूरत नहीं है। You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. जहां तक मैं जानता हूँ। As far as I know. As far as I know. मैं किसी से कम नहीं हूँ। I am not less than anyone. I am not less than anyone. कृपया थोड़ा और लीजिए। Please have a little more. Please have a little more. क्या तुम बाल कटवाओगे? Will you get the haircut? Will you get the haircut? आप बिल्कुल समय पर आए हैं। You are just in time. You are just in time. तुम अभी आई हो। You have just come. You have just come. तुम दोनों सबसे अच्छे हो। You both are the best. You both are the best. वो कमरे में जा रही है। She is going into the room. She is going into the room. मुझे तुमसे ऐसी उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect that from you. I didn't expect that from you. क्या यह मेरे लिए है? Is this for me? Is this for me? यह किसी और का है। It's for somebody else. It's for somebody else. मुझे लगा यह मेरे लिए है. I thought it was for me. I thought it was for me. मैं तुम्हारे पीछे था. I was behind you. I was behind you. मैं वहीं पर खड़ा था. I stood there. I stood there. पर मैंने तुमको नहीं देखा. But I didn't see you. But I didn't see you. आज तुम्हें कैसा महसूस हो रहा है? How do you feel today? How do you feel today? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I feel great. I feel great. क्या वह वहाँ है? Is he there? Is he there? वह वहाँ नहीं है. He is not there. He is not there. वह कहाँ हो सकता है? Where could he be? वह कहाँ हो सकता है? Where could he be? वह कहीं भी हो सकता है. He could be anywhere. He could be anywhere. तो बताते क्यों नहीं हो? So why don't you tell me? So why don't you tell me? तुम क्या सुन रहे हो? What are you listening to? What are you listening to? मैं गाने सुन रहा हूँ. I am listening to songs. I am listening to songs. मुझे हिंदी गाने पसंद है. I like हिंदी songs. I like हिंदी songs. आप क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am not. I am doing nothing. I am doing nothing. आप क्या देख रहे हो? What are you watching? What are you watching? मैं मूवी देख रहा हूँ. I am watching a movie. I am watching a movie.